Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't have any makeup on. I am gonna try something new today. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. My focus is not gonna be on eyeshadow really. I want like a simple look today. It's Sunday. I'm just gonna go get some groceries. But yeah, so first things first, make sure you have moisturizer and primer. I use the Tarte poreless one. I don't have it with me like at the table, but that's the one I use. And then foundation wise, these are the two that I go to a lot. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay, and then this one is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 in the shade 01 Creamy Vanilla. And then the Tarte one, I forgot to tell you, the shade is Light Medium Sand. This one I use it more during the week, this one on the weekend. So yeah. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my hair back. I just dyed my hair yesterday. Look, yeah, I know. Well, it's my first time doing it myself, so third fitter, get out. My cat loves bothering me. So I just put some here. I'll just try to show you guys the color. Does that show? Yeah, so. And then, don't worry guys, I'm gonna definitely speed this up because all I'm doing is dabbing. The reason why I dab is because, no, the reason why I dab is because, as you can tell, my skin, it really... Like, why I look so white? I look white as hell. And then, for concealer, I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic in shade number 2. This is what it looks like. My hands look so gross. Oh my god, Justin Bieber and Hailey Baldwin are engaged after weeks of dating. Sorry, I'm recording this on my phone and I just got that like notification from the news. Oh my god. I don't think people should marry each other after just a few weeks. That's just my opinion. I'm no expert. But I'm thinking like, yeah, it's gonna take a lifetime to know someone. But still, like, I don't know. I just feel like weeks, like, it just sounds too, like, rushed. Like, don't rush yourself into a lifelong commitment, you know what I'm saying? Like, again, I'm no one to be giving relationship advice. But that's just, again, my opinion. Anyways, I want to set this. So, I am going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It. It's a translucent powder. I don't like adding any more color to my face than I need. And then what I like to do is just grab what's already on the cap and then just like dab. And then I'm using the Body Shop. It's a contouring palette. And I'm going to be using this color. This like really brown color. I got this at Marshall's. They have a lot of brand name stuff. Like I got my, you'll see my Anastasia Glow Kit from Marshall's, or go like this, even TJ Maxx. All right, so the idea with bronzer and everything you put on your cheek area is you want to keep it going upward. It creates that illusion that you're not old. Really. I would love to hear from you guys to tell me what you want to see. Relationship videos? Do you guys want mukbangs? Do you want more makeup tutorials? I don't know what y'all want. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contour my nose. I don't hate my nose. I like my nose. I just feel like it makes it look more chiseled. And I just feel more like glam and more like Kardashian, you know, like, yeah, I'm taking this e.l.f. blush brush, okay, and I'm applying it to the apples of my cheeks and bringing it back, and I look like a payasa. I will have to blend that. Then to my favorite part, I love putting on,
so again, this is the Anastasia
one, the Aurora Glow Kit, and I am going to dip it in the color Eclipse and Lyra. And honey, look at that glow. That is crazy. This is my favorite kit. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I can make my channel like different from others. I feel like we all do the same thing. Like, we put on makeup, we review it, we tell people the pros and cons, and I don't know, I think it must be personality. Like, I mean, I'm thinking of like people who I love to watch on YouTube, like the people I go look to see if they've put a new video on, and those are people who are like really funny, and like I wish they were my best friend in real life, and people who are real. I hate fake people, man. So the palette that I'm using is the NYX Lingerie. It's all matte colors, beautiful colors, beautiful, beautiful. Today I am going to be using 2 colors, I think. Yeah, I want to use 2. So I'm gonna use, to begin, this brick color, this one right here, okay, and take this, dab it. Wait. I can't really see, I'm blind. Go like this. Like, oh my god, I swear to god, this cat is driving me insane. I mentioned, but I started using in my crease this dark color. It's like a dark chocolate, these 2 actually. So I put a little bit down here. All right, not too much. I kind of want to give you guys an up close. Let me see. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. And so then after that, I've done highlight, eyebrows. Ay, Vanessa. Okay. And all right. Put mascara on. I am using the Essence Get Big Lashes. All right. All right. And then the final step is lipstick. I am using it says Lix Matte Liquid Lipstick from the brand Model's Own. You can find it at Ulta. I have it in the number Naked 11. Probably won't focus, which is okay. And then you just apply it. That's it. Beautiful color, beautiful. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see the finished look. So yeah, the eyes. I'm having some problems with my skin, but the color. So I'm wearing contacts. And so yeah, guys, I really hope you guys like this video. Oh, I forgot one thing. Oh, this. Ooh. So yeah. Now helps me, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. And if you haven't subscribed already, do so. You guys know what to do. Everybody says it, like, comment, blah blah blah. So just do what you gotta do, and yeah, keep an eye out on me. So bye.